Magandang araw mga kakarampot! Welcome sa panibagong vlog. Pagkatapos na ma-check off ko sa aking listahan ang Legacy Trail sa Alberta, we're off to the second part of my travel to Western Canada. And this time, it's a road trip to Southern Alberta sa Waterton National Park. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go! A trip to Alberta usually consists of visiting the lakes, the hiking trails, and the mountains. Pero kung naghahanap kayo ng something different from the usual pero nandun pa rin yung outdoors vibe, a visit to Waterton is definitely a must. On this road trip, I didn't know what to expect. Pero sa kalsada pa lang, ibang-iba na. Wala nang masyadong mga bundok na titingalain. You have farmlands and ranches. The mountains in the horizon have a different charm to them than the ones in the Canadian Rockies. I'm simply speechless. Bago makarating sa aming campsite, we visited the Red Rocks Canyon. Next is the iconic Prince of Wales Hotel in Waterton, Ontario. Sobrang ganda dito with the hotel overlooking the upper Waterton Lake. After setting up our tents, we also visited Cameron Falls and Waterton Lakefront. This is not the actual USA-Canada boundary marker. Medyo maglalakad ka pa ng 8 kilometers pa south. 2 hours din na hike one way. Day 2. The highlight of the trip was on the second day, when we climbed to the top of Bear's Hump. Bilang isang Ilocano, natuwa ako at hindi ko napigilan ang sarili na makipag-picture sa tabi ng sign na ito. Okay, pero ang ibig palang sabihin nito sa Siksipuwasen o Blackfoot language ay hello. Sa kultura ng mga Blackfoot Indians, ang pagsasabi ng okay is a way of acknowledging others with kindness and openness. Okay. Kasama ko pala syempre sa trip na ito ang katropa natin at isa sa founding member ng Kakarampot Fan Club, si Madam Jocelyn. Joke lang, malakas yan. Baka din ako makabalik ng Calgary pag biniro ko yan. Hindi naman mahaba ang trail pero napakatarik. Bago magtanghaling tapat, narating din namin ang tuktok ng Bear's Hump.
So yun guys, we made it. After hindi mo na mabilang na stops.
Baba na tayo, sana kayanin ng ating tuhod.
At yun, sa wakas, nakarating na rin ako sa baba. Nauna na si Jo. Ay.
And that climb alone made this road trip worth it. And before we headed home, we made a stop para matignan naman ang Landtrek Falls. Okay lang. And that's the second stage of my Western Canada trip. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung di naman kayo nag-enjoy, sana natuto. Kung di naman kayo natuto, sana nag-enjoy pa rin kahit papano. Don't forget to like, comment, share, at ang importante sa lahat, mag-subscribe. Yun ay kung di ka pa subscribe. At kung may time ka pa, i-click mo na rin yung notification bell to be notified of future vlogs. So hanggang dito na lamang, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli, paalam.